In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to purge QuickBooks Online in just 5 minutes. If you've been using QuickBooks for some time and feel like your account is getting a bit cluttered, or you simply want to start fresh, this guide will walk you through the process of purging your account efficiently. Purging your QuickBooks Online account essentially resets your financial data to a clean state so you can begin anew without the remnants of your old entries. Let's dive into the steps. First, make sure to navigate to the QuickBooks Online website. Opening your web browser, type in the URL for QuickBooks Online, or open it from your bookmarks if you've saved it there. Once the homepage loads, you should see the option to sign in right at the top right corner of the page. Click on this sign in button to proceed. When you click to sign in, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. Go ahead and type in your email and password associated with your QuickBooks account. It's important to ensure that you're entering the correct credentials to avoid any sign-in issues. If you typically have trouble remembering your password, consider using a secure password manager as it keeps your password safe and accessible. Once you've entered your email and password, click on the sign in button to access your QuickBooks dashboard. This will load the main area where you manage your financial transactions and data, but today we're focusing on purging, so let's move on from the dashboard and into the purging process. Next, you need to navigate to a specific URL. This URL is designed to initiate the purge process. In your browser's address bar, type in the URL qbo.intuit.com app/purge company. Hitting enter will take you to the appropriate page. You might notice that the URL looks a bit different if you've copied it from somewhere. Make sure it ends with purge company so that you're redirected correctly. On this new page, look at the URL you've arrived at. From this URL, we want to make a small change. Delete any text that appears after the last slash in the URL. What you should be left with is a clean looking address that ends with purge company. This precise URL directs you to the utility specifically purposed for purging your data. With the URL now corrected, press enter on your keyboard again. This will reload the page and you should now view an interface prompting you to purge your company data. It's important to note that this process cannot be undone, so make sure you have backup information or are certain that you want to remove everything. At this stage, QuickBooks Online will require you to type in a confirmation code for security reasons. You'll be asked to type yes as a confirmation that you indeed want to purge all existing data. Type yes in the appropriate field, usually located at the bottom right of the screen. By entering this code, you're giving QuickBooks the final confirmation to proceed with deleting all your current data. After entering yes, you'll see a button labeled OK. Clicking this will finalize the purging process. Once you click OK, QuickBooks will begin clearing all your data. This may take a moment depending on the amount of data stored in your account. Once completed, your account will be reset to a default state, ready for new entries and financial tasks. And there you have it, a fresh start with QuickBooks Online. Remember, purging removes all existing financial data, so use this feature deliberately and only when you're completely sure that a clean slate is necessary. Now you can set up your QuickBooks account from scratch and begin recording fresh transactions. Hopefully this guide has been clear and helpful. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this walkthrough on purging QuickBooks Online to be straightforward and informative. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out to QuickBooks support or refer to their official documentation for further assistance. Happy bookkeeping!